Hey guys, what's going on? So today we're going to be doing 10.2 arc measure and arc length. So to just get right into it with some of these definitions, a central angle is an angle with its vertex at the center of the circle and its two sides are equal. So central angle, vertex is at the center of the circle, kind of makes sense on the name. But a good piece of information on that is that the two sides are equal. That can actually be very important later on. So essentially, we have the vertex of this angle is at the very center, and it's expanding and touching the sides, and those sides are equal. So it almost seems like it could be a radius or something. The sum of all central angles in a circle is 360 degrees. Basically, there's 360 degrees within a whole circle. A minor arc is when the arc is less than 180 degrees. Major arc is when the arc is greater than. Semicircle is when the arc is equal to 180 degrees, which makes sense because that's half a circle. Semicircle is basically just grab a circle, cut it in half, and 180 is half of 360. Okay, so if we look here at the diagram, we got the central angle here, minor arc here, because clearly it's less than 180, major arc here. Okay, so the arcs are just breaking up the outside or circumference of the circle into pieces. Okay, so the measure of an arc is the same as the measure of its central angle. Okay, so the measure of AB is 50 degrees. The measure of ADB, so now you're going A, swinging around to D, coming back to B, is, well, in total of a circle, we got 360. Take out the 50 from the one we already know, and you do that, and you get 310. So pretty standard. I'm going to skip this for the purposes of the video. Let me see which one. I'm going to look at something like example 3 real quick. Okay, so example 3 says solve for x. So it gives you these two central angles right here, or arc measures, which correlate to their central angle. Okay, I want you to find x. Well, they both lie on a straight line, so if you add them together, they should equal 180. So we got 5x plus 23 plus 17x minus 41 equals 180 degrees. 17x plus 5x goes to 22x, and then 41, and then negative 41 plus 23 should go to minus 18 equals 180 degrees. Add the 18 over. Okay, so you got 180 plus 18, which should go to 198. And then divide your 22 over, and x is 9. And it did just say solve for x. So we are good there. Okay, for example 4, well, these two guys are equal based on vertical angles. So you got 8x plus 12 equals 10x minus 22, 2x equals 34. So x is 17. So to find arc AD, just plug 17 in for x. So 8 times 17 plus 12 goes to 148 degrees. For arc B, does it not ask for just BC? I guess it does not. So for arc CD, well, here's the thing. We know this is 148, so this is 148. Okay. Now these are also equal. They are unknowns. Call them y. And in total of a circle, we have 360. Take out 148 plus 148, or 148 times 2, which is 296. Okay, so if you do that, you end up with 64. So there's 64 degrees left to go in the circle, but it's being split equally into two parts. Okay, so basically we have 2y equals 64, so y is 32. So arc CD is 32. So to put this all together, we have 32 degrees here and 32 degrees here. So then it asks for arc BDC. So BDC is right here. So basically we got 148 plus 64, or you could even view it as just 360 minus 148, whichever way you prefer, and you get 212 degrees. All right, that is it, guys.